You have to tell me how to change my belief system so I can finally fulfill my true potential. Everybody says something different. Please tell me. I could tell you, but why don't we just visit your belief system? What do you mean visit my beliefs? What the just happened? Jeremy, this is Paul. Your procrastination belief system. You're not ready yet. You're not good enough. You need to heal your trauma first before you can start your podcast. You're right. I have to heal my trauma first. We have to go to another self-help seminar. Yes, we cannot start our podcast yet or the videos because they're gonna judge us. They're gonna judge us like back in the day in school. Do you remember? Wait a second. You're not Paul. That's right, Jeremy. That's 7-year-old you. Wait, are you telling me that my belief system is me as a 7-year-old? Yeah, you can say that. Or you can say it's the programming of a 7-year-old trying to avoid the trauma that experienced it back in the day. The belief system is not me thinking. It's a program that's running from back in the day to keep me from situations that it deems dangerous. I'm just trying to protect us. No, but you're not protecting us. We're missing out on the life that we want to live. But you keep showing me that it's dangerous. How? I don't understand. How do I show you that it's still dangerous? You keep listening to me. You keep avoiding doing your podcast. You keep avoiding building your business. It must be dangerous because you're avoiding it. I'm sorry. You're right. I'm the adult now. I'm supposed to take you by the hand. No, you cannot go. We're not ready yet. You're not good enough. No, I give you more anxiety. It's okay. You can scream. You can give me anxiety. Come on, I'll take you. You're allowed to scream. You're allowed to give me anxiety. And we're gonna do the action anyway. 2 months in the future. What happened? Jeremy, nice podcast. We did it. Where's Paul? Jeremy, we did it. We're amazing. We're geniuses. We're amazing. More confidence to you. I'm sorry I threw up on you the last 2 months and I gave you so much anxiety. But we did it. I didn't know. I'm a child. You took me by the hand. I know. I let a 7-year-old drive the car of my life. I should have taught you. I'm going to take care of you. Don't worry. Wait, but who are you? Would it be crazy to believe that you are my little child?